You asked me to make a video explaining, so m'a répondu. M'a fait vidéo pour tout haïtien, tout américain, n'importe monde around the world. Anybody and everybody could learn this. I know that you're seeing the market. It looks like it's doing jibber jabber. It's going up, doing all this. But that's how it talks. As a trader, it talks to you. So earlier, remember, I was down $800, right? But what you don't understand, I'm actually winning right now. Okay? But it don't look like I'm winning. Why? Because I'm down $500, but my position was 7. Now my position doubled, and it went down, and it went down from, it was actually negative 1400 when I doubled it, and it went down. So working, this is retracting, and eventually it will jump back up. The reason I took a bigger position is now that not only that, if it does go back up to where I bought it originally, that I made my money back. I didn't lose anything, but I also make a profit. So these are things you need to know when you trade. So not to be scared to take a position when it's necessary. Okay, so it just retracted all the way down to 300-400 and then went back up to 7 as we're looking at it right now. So the market's gonna do what it do. Win, lose, or draw, we in the fight. If we're gonna lose, we gotta know how to fall so we don't take big blows. And if we're gonna win, we gotta know how to throw big blows to make sure we're getting what we need without going too deep. Okay, I could have do full contracts, go crazy. As you're looking at it right now, we're back down to 500. So by the position that I have has it fluctuating $500 up and down. So you can see it runs up to 1,000 and jumps back down to 500. Okay, so these are things that you need to know. It comes with the market. The more this needle drops, this candle drops, the more it is. As it retracts, the less it is. Inside this candle, this hour candle, trust me, there's a lot of movement. Now let's see what is happening on a 10-minute level. On a 10-minute level, you see, each one of these candles are 10 minutes. It's green and want to go up. So I'm getting 2 greens right now. But then that green candle can reverse and turn back red. Okay? If we get 2-3 green candles, we're in the positive. So let's say it push one big green as big as it pushed this red right here. Now we're negative. As you see in the same video, we're negative $300. So before this video even ends, you can see where we're negative $300 to being in the positive, while you just saw me came from being negative 800 all in one sitting. There is no exact math to say this, that, and trust me, if everybody knew the movement of price before price made it, everybody would be billionaires. So no, that's why trading differentiate those who are real from those who are fake, from those who can endure, from those who know how to lose, and those who don't know how to lose. Okay, so I bought this account right here to set it up just to make these videos to show you. You could risk it all in a trade. We're going to do trade where we risk the whole account, and we're going to do trades where we take baby steps, and we're going to get several accounts together so you'll be able to tell the difference to say, oh, okay, I get it now. As you see, all the price is doing is by this candle. If we go to a lower scale, like the 1 minute, this is what it's doing. It's going back up on the 1 minute. It's just one candle is the price of $400 being negative. So if I get one good green candle, boop, I'm positive. So you understand it. And it has a trip. It tells you the path that it took. It's on its own trip. Okay? It went down $1,400. It took me through it. Because you can see right here, if I'm negative 500, when it was down here, how much was I negative? Okay, 3 times the amount at least. So now we're negative what? 300. as you could see it. $300 is somebody's check in a day, in 2 days. It depends what state you stay in 3 days. There's places $300 is a person's check in a week. Part-time job. So you have to understand. So if we could watch it go down, go down, go down, once it chooses to go back up and shoots through it, break down this blue line and shoot through it, we make more money. If you want me to risk the account, I could even take another position for 7 more micros, because at the end and when I buy it, it actually lowers my bar where I don't. Let me show you. 7 micros, right? Buy. Now I bought it. My position turns to what? My position turns to 21. You see how it's still the same candle, but I'm negative more money? That's because I'm on bigger position, bigger pools, bigger things are happening. And this is what makes and breaks an account. Am I scared? No, I am not scared, like Kodak Black say, because I know the risk that I'm taking, a bigger risk. That's why I knew I was doing this for the video. On the first one, it was really losing because it was one position and I lost $174. That means I held it for 9 hours, almost 8 hours, and it didn't perform. I already saw the trend was going down, so I got out. I let it go down for an hour, and I got back in, and I lost another 300. I said, okay, let me sit out. Let me let this knife fall. And then now I bought in. Remember, I was at 7 position. Then when I just got on, I was negative the same amount with 14 position. Now I'm negative $200, $100, okay, with 21 positions. So now can you understand? And I'm so close to the blue line. Any boop, I'll be up 200, 400, 500 that I lost, 6, 7, 1,000, 15. So stay tuned till next video. I just wanted to make an explanation for you. This way you understand it. And I will be teaching you the fundamentals, okay? I will open a book. We're going to read this book, one of my books, so you can see the fundamentals. And if you decide to do on one-on-one coaching or anything like that, so you're able to see it firsthand. You see me with 21 positions firsthand. Now I'm negative $50. Now it's back to 168. Like I tell you, it range. Price does not sit in one place. I didn't even add a stop loss or take profit because I know the market always go up. All right? Like again, I could be your mentor, but at the same time, I also have mentors. I didn't just learn this like that. I spent over 25 grand learning this material over time. And I still have a mentor that I trade with, just so you know. But I still come and I do trades by myself. Okay? My mentor group I'm in, he's done trading for the day. They took 2 trades, lost both trade, and I'm still in the trade. And I'm taking more position without a stop loss. And a lot of people is going to be like, yeah, that's crazy. That's reckless. That's this. But at the end of the day, the market always go up. So if you could stay in it long enough, it'll reverse for you. If it don't, then it's not. That's why this is a prop firm account. This is not my live account where I'm taking the risk. Look, I was just positive. I'm positive again. $42, $52, $105, 200, positive 220. Okay, positive. I just made somebody's day right now. 325, positive. You see, the truth is in the pudding. You're watching it live with me. I'm not lying. I tell the truth, the whole truth. So help me God.